Hey everyone, welcome back for day 2 of converting the Astrovan. Today we're going to focus on the floor here where there's rust spots and where there's still some screws. I did put some liquid wrench on them last night. Hopefully if they come up, if they don't come up, I'm just going to saw them off. I'm going to wire brush them down, get all the rust spots off, and then put some primer on them, okay? Also got this for the holes. Steel stick, pretty good stuff for the holes that are in the bottom of the van, and then might just top them off with a little bit of flex tape. Alright, let's get cracking. Give this one more go. I was holding the seat belt. Douse this with more liquid wrench. It sat for a long time overnight to the morning. See, this will budge. Nope. I'm sawing them. Well, that didn't take long. It does say lifetime warranty though, so I'll be going back for a new one, but still, I just got 3 done with just this little piece. I didn't feel like buying a Dremel tool for 5 little screws, you know? Oh, keep it going. This should do the trick, we'll see. If not, I got something a little more heavy duty. A wire one. A little better. Okay. Before I paint, I'm going to take down the headliner. It's only attached back here by 1. I already took these 2 out. 2, 3, 4 screws, and looks like another pretty easy disassembly. So. And I believe it's Velcroed right there between the 2. So there goes nothing again. My line here. All right. Woo! Out the side. I gotta cut this back. Protection. Okay, stuff we're gonna primer. After we're done putting the primer down, we're gonna try this steel stick stuff and plug up some holes. Here's what we're using. Oh, missed a spot. You like my Mickey gloves?
Oh boy! Ah, there he is!
good size holes over here I want to use them on. This is to cut off a desired amount and mix in your fingers. Wear gloves. This is to mix it together to get the same kind of color consistency. Yeah. Alright, bring it home, buddy. Bam! Boom! Boom! Bam! Alright, all the holes are steel sticked up, covered with flex tape. I think the floor is ready for insulation, and then plywood, and then a top sheet. Progress today.